It's easy to bake great pizza in a conventional oven with the Ooni Pizza Steel 13. Hand wash the pizza steel in soapy water, then dry it completely before you use it for the first time. Move a wire shelf to the middle of your oven and slide the pizza steel carefully into place. Turn the oven on to its maximum setting, or the pizza setting if you have one, and let the pizza steel preheat for at least 30 minutes before you begin baking. When you're ready, stretch a pizza dough ball into a 12-inch base, lay it over a floured pizza peel and add toppings. Then, launch the pizza onto the pizza steel in your oven. Shut the oven door and wait for the pizza crust to begin rising. Your pizza should be done in about 5 to 7 minutes. When you're happy with the way your pizza looks, use your Ooni pizza peel to take it out of the oven and put it onto a bamboo peel or cutting board. Slice the pizza, serve, and enjoy. It's that simple. Let the pizza steel cool completely for at least 2 hours. Then put oven gloves on, take the steel out of the oven, and brush any food debris off with a dry paper towel. You can hand wash the pizza steel in hot, soapy water and scrub it lightly to restore the surface. We recommend using a stainless steel cleaner, like Barkeeper's Friend, and a wire brush to remove tough stains and marks. Finally, store the pizza steel in a dry place for next time.